Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you what Ifa is actually meant for in our lives, or better to say, the emphasis of Ifa in our life endeavors. Before I dive deep into it, I want you to know this. Ifa is full of wisdom, knowledge, and the life experiences of Yoruba race. Ifa is full of forever thoughts and ideas you may have in your mind, which are backed with tons of stories. So, what are the emphases of Ifa, or what it often talks about? I will be sharing 5 major emphases with you. Number 1. Ifa lays emphasis on Iwa, known as character in English language. It is important to know that Ìpín or Àyànmọ́, known as destiny, is chosen from Òde Ọ̀run, meaning from heaven, but Iwa is chosen otherwise. We choose our character on earth, maybe from our parents, environmental influence, or other ways. Ifa lays emphasis on the effect of one's character to what such person becomes. There are 2 forms of Iwa in Yoruba religion. There are Iwa Buburu, known as bad character, and Iwa Rere, known as good character. If you choose bad character, you are going to be categorized as Obayeje, meaning destroyer of this world to the Orishas and Irumoles. And if you choose good character, you will be categorized as Atayeshe, which is the direct opposite of Obayeje. Number 2. Ifa lays emphasis on Ori, also known as Àyànmọ́ or Ìpín, meaning destiny. Ori is called head in English language. In Yoruba religion, Ori is our destiny, known as Àyànmọ́ or Ìpín in Yoruba language. Yoruba religion followers believe that Ori is chosen from Òde Ọ̀run, that is, heaven. It is equally believed that Orisha Ńlá makes human body, Why Olodumare, known as God, gives life, and humans choose orí inú, also known as àyànmọ́ or ìpín, which is our destiny, from Ajala, who is the Orisha in charge. Ifa talks about how humans choose Ori from Ode Ọ̀run. Number 3. Ifa tells Orisha stories. All the Orishas in Yoruba religion has an Odu each. For instance, in the Odu Ifa Meji, it talks about Shogo Olukoso's story. Also, Osameji tells Iyami story, and so on and so forth. Number 4. Ifa lays emphasis on Ebo, known as sacrifice. Ebo is a very important aspect of Yoruba religion or Ifa religion. Ebo is used to overcome problems or challenges and tribulations. Ebo is used for transformation, and that is why Ifa says much about it. Lastly, which is the number 5 in this video, Ifa is all about what is called Ire in Yoruba religion. Ire means success. Since Ifa is a solution to problems of mankind, it means when problems arise and Ifa is consulted, then Ebo is done to appease the Irumoles or Iyami as applicable. Ire comes in. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.